I have always been speaking the prayer, Maṇi Padme Hūṃ, but without actually knowing what it means. I have been asking this question to many of my elders, but I failed to get the answer. So, what does it mean?
Prayer and also recitation of mantra. Just to simply repeat the sound, not much help. Particularly, Maṇi Padme Hūṃ as one Buddhist mantra. So, the whole Buddhist system is utilize human intelligence maximum way, through that way transform our emotion. That's Buddhist way of approach. The other tradition, most of these theistic religion, mainly through faith, through prayer to God, to Creator. It also immense powerful, wonderful thing. All major religious tradition, carries same message or same practice. That's practice of love, compassion, forgiveness, tolerance, self-discipline, same. Then most of the theistic religions, prayer is most important part. Buddha stated, you are your own master. Your future entirely depends on yourself. So, in Buddhism, Buddha taught study is very, very important. Knowledge is very important. In order to utilize human intelligence fully, we have to know how to use. And in order to utilize, you must know the mental function, mental system, these things, as I mentioned before. So, you pay more attention, study what is the Buddhist system. Then, with understanding about the whole system, transformation of our mind, with that sort of clear sort of full of knowledge and ultimate aim and sincere motivation, then carry recitation of this mantra is very useful. Clear? Maṇi Padme Hūṃ, of course, I don't know whether relevant explain here or not, I don't know. But you see the six syllables, Maṇi Padme Hūṃ. So that sort of mantra is common Buddhism and also many different Hinduism, Om. But here Buddhists explain, Om here three letters are Om. That represent our body, mind, speech. So there are two levels, body, speech, mind, impure level, that creates, that's the basis of suffering. So therefore, the experiencer, pains and pleasure, the body, mind, mainly body and mind, transform into pure, pleasant, ever pleasant body and mind. You see, the body, mind, and then automatically speech also. So that represent Om. Om represent the impure level, impure part, and pure part. Now, how to transform impure part into pure? Right? Three impure, transform into pure three. Then Maṇi and Padme. Maṇi means jewel. Here, jewel meaning altruism, infinite altruism. Then Padma. Padma means wisdom. So, altruism and wisdom combined. That represents Hūṃ. Hūṃ carry meaning of combination, altruism and wisdom combined. Through that way, that's the proper way, method to purify three impure in order to become pure three, body, speech, and mind. Clear? Like that.